Hello and welcome to our next lesson. Today we are going to be looking at writing SQL commands. An SQL statement consists of two parts. One is what is referred to as a reserved word, and the other part is what is referred to as a user-defined word. Reserved words are the fixed part of the SQL language. They have a fixed meaning and have to be typed exactly as they have been defined. For the user-defined words, these are the words that are proposed by a particular user, but they have to fit within certain syntax rules. For example, the name of a relation, the name of a database, the name of the fields. NB. SQL statements are normally case insensitive. That means you may have created your field names in small letters. If later you decide to access them using capital letters, it will still work. Let's look at the first set of commands. And these commands fall upon what is referred to as DDL or data definition language. Whenever you want to create a database, the command to do so is create database DB name. Create database is a reserved word. DB name is a user-defined word. Once this command has executed, then to view the databases or to see the database we have just created, we normally type the command show databases. So this gives us a list of the databases that have been created. To select the database to work with, because a number of relations form a database, so to define the database that we need to work with, we normally use the command use dbname. NB. All commands in SQL must end with a semicolon. All commands in SQL must end with a semicolon. This is the set of relations that we are going to be creating. The name of our database is going to be called human resource. And once we have created the database human resource, these are the tables that we are going to create, and then we are going to insert data into these particular relations, and then we try to retrieve. So I request that we move step by step. Do not skip any of the subsequent videos because it's going to be arranged in a systematic manner for creating the given relations. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.